We are the student of class 12 science. We are going to have a discussion on the topic Indian government and politics. I am Mohammad Saif Ansari.
I am Shivam Pal.
I am Shashant Patel.
I am Gaurav Jha. I am Gaurav Rajpal.
I am Athar Wamde.
I am Nitish Kumar.
I am Suryakan Kumar.
As we know that India is the biggest democracy in the world, our nation serves freedom, secularity, and rights. In our nation, everyone has the right to serve their country and express their views by making political parties.
As he said that everyone has right to make a political party and share their views. But I think that Indian politics has been under control of old and aging people. But now it's time for youth to step up and take the lead. India can't be a superpower by sitting on the shoulders of old and aging people.
As he said that India will become powerful, but my view is that India will be powerful until the poverty is until there will be the poor will have money. As India is, it's not like that India is the poorest country. India is the richest country, but the money, that all the money is trapped in the form of black money by the people. So Indian government had introduced a movement to fetch the black money, the process of demonetization. It was a very successful movement for fetching the black money, but it was not that successful on the level because there were many poor people. Today also there are many poor people who were suffering for food crisis.
Recently, our government spends 3,000 crore rupees on a statue. That was maybe a good investment because it increases the employment for poor people. It started tourism moreover in India. But I don't think that the amount was too large. That is 3,000 crore.
Government can invest in more than 3,000 crores in making some monuments, in demonetization, in even making bullet trains, but can't do something about rapists and acid attackers. In newspaper every day we can see 1 to 2 cases about that. Also in Nirvaya case, she takes more than 8 years of justice.
In India, our nation, 40% of our pollution is dependent on farming. But the farmer are not such profit they got from farming. They did not get food for their children and families. The government start some eggs and help farmer to they suicide for the.
I think today's government increases the support to the Indian armies because for a good and protected nation, government should cooperate with their army, and such as examples like Rafale aircraft from France, and after the two surgical strikes after the Uri and Pulwama attack.
As Saf said, everyone has a right to express their views. Atharva said that we need young leaders to become a superpower, but we can't become a superpower unless we have the guidance of old leaders. Gaurav said that 300 crores was spent on making a statue, but that statue has given us a revenue back, and it's also employing a lot of people. Gaurav Jha said that Indian Army is being empowered, and it's correct. No country is perfect. Every country has its faults and merits. We have to see it as a whole, and we have to make our country better ourselves.